prepare bok choy. Cut the bok choy to your preferred shape. For me, I prefer like this. Put them in a container. Put some salt and let them mix evenly. Let the salted bok choy sit for at least 1 hour. While this is sitting, we prepare pickle sauce. Peel and cut ginger, garlic, apple, pear, and lemon. Put all of this in a blender and mix them with some fish sauce. Put some sugar inside. Put a proper amount of chili powder into the liquid sauce. It is better to use a liquid sauce specially made for kimchi from a Korean store. Mix them all. While pickling the bok choy, excess water will accumulate. Remove the excess water. Mix the pickle sauce into the pickled bok choy. Put this into a container and store them in the fridge. It will be ready after 5 days or so for fermentation. This is kimchi from the last time. I will cook some self-made dumpling for my lunch. Kimchi will be a nice side dish for my dumpling.